Teenagers in Court County, Washington State of Michigan, is not having sex with young.
This is the one we have.
Yes.
You may be seated. Court does call the case of State of Michigan versus James Whitman.
National Law to the people, no matter what they.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, my name is Whitman. I'm attorney here. I'm again.
All right. Ready to proceed?
Your Honor, I did let the court know, and I let Mr. Bennett know that my office was able to get the medical records this morning. Detective Gilbreth was able to provide them electronically as well as a paper copy. Of course, I haven't had a chance to redact them and go through them and disclose them to defense. So I'm not sure if defense counsel wishes to proceed to exam, knowing there's discovery he doesn't have. I did brought up to speed. I understand he demanded this exam last time that this was before the court on Thursday, but I wanted to make a record of that because if there's any issue later about the defendant having moved forward and not having seen all of the discovery, that may be something. I further understand that Mr. Bennett may already have some medical records, but of course I can't tell whether or not those are the same as these medical records because I don't have a copy of what he has and I haven't had a chance to review either.
Your Honor, the alleged victim has emailed me the results of her examination for x-rays and her CT scans related to this incident this morning. I have in fact read them and I'm prepared to proceed.
Sorry.
Pardon?
I didn't catch all of that. I'm sorry.
Go ahead and repeat what you were saying.
Yes, Your Honor. I do have the reports related to the CT scans and the x-rays and the ethanol test that were conducted the morning after this or morning of this alleged incident, depending on what time it happened. And I have reviewed them and I am prepared to go forward.
Looks like it's about 116 pages worth of records.
That's what you have?
That's
I mean, this is why I didn't want to set it for today. You can have a seat, sir. I mean, if it had waited a week, they were trying to get the medical records. Now I've got a situation where I don't know if you each have the same medical record.
I do not have 116 pages.
You want to go forth, but what do you want to do? Because the other option I have is you wanted to start this. I'll just have, because I just want everybody to be ready. I don't believe in preliminary examination or trial by ambush. I don't believe in any of that stuff. Everybody just get the information, look at it, and just have a fair hearing for everybody. And it just doesn't make any sense. I'll be honest with you, Mr. Bennett. It makes no sense to me. And quite frankly, does not, in my opinion, benefit your client now that the people have all of this information. So my other option to try to make sure this is fair is I just tell the people, put their officer up, and I on my own motion for good cause just adjourn it. Because this doesn't make sense to me.
Can I reply to that?
As one judge in New York said, I don't know that this is a conversation, but go ahead.
What I was going to indicate last Thursday, I was reluctant to go too far forward because of these missing records. Now they have the records and we can do this all at one time. It doesn't have to be today. I just didn't want this to go on for a month.
It wasn't going to go a month. All right.
And Your Honor, for the record, the people are prepared to proceed and start the examination today. One of our officers is not present, so we would be requesting an adjournment so that he may be present to get some of our evidence in. But we have Chelsea Police Department Dispatcher Jared Atkinson, Officer Krosky, and also Detective Gilbert is here. I don't expect the detective to testify today, but I do expect the other two to testify.
All right. I'd rather have everybody ready. Will June 11th work for everybody?
Yeah, have a moment to check with my
Yes, absolutely.
9 a.m. or 11 a.m. Your Honor?
It would. I'd be setting it at 9.
At 9. Thank
Before
you.
me. So, Dan got a jam out.
Well, 9 a.m. works for the dispatcher and the officer.
Will that work for the defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find good cause. Will adjourn the preliminary examination June 11th, 2024, 9 a.m. before me.
And for the record, Your Honor, the other officer, I understand, is awaiting clearance to return from leave, so that's why they're not here. So we're hoping they'll be back by that date, but we're not 100% sure.
Got it. And we'll continue. Thank you.
Your Honor.
It does call the case. People State of Michigan versus Emmanuel Henry. It's going to be an exam. Have a seat. Okay, let's take a look. I got an emergency call here. I have to take for the court. So can we take him back? Court standing.
All rise.